So, logical design is refers to abstract representation of entities is a process of without going to the level of specifications like implementations. Logical design is the three types of logical designs. The first one is functional block, is another one is IoT communication model, and another one is IoT communication API. First of all, we'll discuss about the IoT functional block. The providing system capability, the identification in the and sensing and actuation is the communication and management. Right? So first of all, this is the devices. Devices can access comparing the devices is the providing the sensing actuators and monitoring the control the functions. First of all, we have examples. The mobile is the devices. The mobile is devices the providing sensors, actuators, monitoring the control the functions. Sensor is the based on the stabilization, sensing the and stabilization steps, the counting and monitoring reactions and actions is providing the monitoring, right? Control the overall the function in the body of the functions, right? Handle the sensing, actions, and monitoring and control system are the examples of devices. Communications is a handle IoT systems. Communications. The communication is a communication one to one communicated with mobiles, like manage the data transferring and various protocols is wireless communications. Right, wide communications also there. Wireless communication is a for example is a Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is a communicate to exchange the data. Wireless is exchange data and one mobile to another mobile is a transmissions of the data protocols and the Bluetooth one mobile to another mobile is exchange the data services, right? And coming to the next services, for devices monitoring device control service data publishing services and discovery and device discovery. The provide the identifications of discovery data processing services will be provided. The number of services will be provided in data processing and cloud services and the Hadoop services are providing like the identification is data stored in the department, right? Next is management. Management is provide the various functions, the governance of our system, the manage the updates and security. The providing the management is a security process to update the new innovations, ideas, or new company opportunities, right? And security, the protect our devices authentications, either fingerprint, either message to context to text integration, data security process. And coming to the applications provide the interfaces. They show the interfaces and to develop the applications. They show the interfaces and monitoring the various aspects of the IoT systems, right? And next is communication model. The communication model, the four types of communication model: the request response, and publish subscriber, and push and pull model, and exclusive pay. First of all, we discuss about request response. Client will send the request to the server. Server can store the sending the request and again and send the resources. For example, is a client send the request and receive the request. You client the process client server is process the data and can transfer the further resource and to resource the collect the information and to and response for the resource information and to like send again the server and server can store preparations of data response and sending the response to the client, and last step reverse is sending the servers. Right. Next is publish subscribe. Sending the send messages is the topic wise. The first example, for example, is the topic wise is sending the subscriber one topic and general topic is topic wise. The publish the broker sending the dividing into the consumers. So one topic is sent to the consumer and another one is sent to the consumer and second topic is subscriber model is sent to the consumer model. And sending the topic wise will be sending and to involve the publish broker. This is the explanation of diagram. Involve publisher, broker, consumer publish the source of data. Publisher send the data topic wise, which are managed by publisher not aware of the consumer. The consumer topic wise is managed by the broker. When the broker receives the data, the topic wise is the publisher send to all the subscriber consumer. Right? And push and pull model. The push and pull model is sending the queue. The push the data is a order of queue, and the collector the consumer data is order of the queue. The first of all, you are sending the push the data. So one queue, another one step by step. One data is inserting, another one is data inserting, another one is data inserting, another one is data inserting. Then the consumer then pull the data. First of all, you is sending the push the queue order, and consumer is collect the data, and second one is also the consumer is sending the data, and consumer is pull the data. Right? And exclusive pair. So exclusive pair is a dimension of fully duplex communication model. It is a pair. This is a of the connections between the client and servers. First of all, client sending the request and response accepting say or not. For example, is a Facebook extension. Sending the request, the user can under checking and identify who has the sender messages. So if it is good, we will satisfy the sending the request and server can response and user also response the services and again repeatedly connection says the request is again and again and again. So this is our logical design model. The logical design model nothing but is three models: functional model and communication model, communication API also. So first of all, in the completed communication model and functional block and devices providing sensing. So this is information of logical design. Thank you.